Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom audience of people who have watched a specific amount or specific percentage of a video ad that you've ran. Now, as you guys can see here, this is a fairly new ad account and we ran this video ad. We spent about $27. So we spent about $27, and what I want to show you guys is the cost per throughput. So I don't even know how to read this number, to be honest, but as you guys can see, for $27 we've reached about 57 about 500,000 people that we've reached for about $27. So you might be wanting to create a custom audience of people who viewed your video for any reason, but the reason we're creating it is so that now we can go ahead and retarget these individuals that have watched, let's say, 50% of the video. Now granted, although we reached 500,000 people, not all of them watched 50% of the video, but we're going to go ahead and retarget those people. And in order to do that, we need to go ahead and create a custom audience of people who have watched, let's say, 50% of the video. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on this section right here where it says all tools. And then we'll go ahead and click on audience. And as you guys can see here, the screen is going to go ahead and redirect me to the audience section. And if you have audience set up, it's going to show up here. But again, this is a fairly new ad account, a second ad account that we created for one of our clients. And what we're going to want to do is create custom audience, right? If you want to understand how to create a lookalike audience, I have another video for that. But in order to create a lookalike audience, you have to have a custom audience first. So we're going to go ahead and click on create a custom audience. And as you can see here, you can create a custom audience of many things, of people that came to your website, of people that visit your Instagram, people that watched a video. In this case, that's exactly what we're going to do. So we'll go ahead and click on video and then click on next. And as you guys can see here, the retention, it tells us, you want them to have viewed a video in the last, maximum is 365 days. Now, again, we've only been running this for a few days now, but we'll just go ahead and keep it on 365 days. But that is the maximum, I believe. The maximum that you can do is, maximum time 365 days. So we'll keep that as is. But the first thing you want to do is, it says choose your engagement, right? So as you guys can see here, you could create a custom audience of people who viewed at least 3 seconds of a video, 10 seconds of a video. Our video is about 5 minutes long, but we're going to do 50%. So what that means is that, we're telling Facebook to create an audience of people who watched at least 2 minutes and 30 seconds of that video. So again, you can do whatever percentage you'd like. I recommend you test, but we're going to go ahead and do at least 50%. Okay, and as you guys can see here, once we click this, it's going to tell us choose the video. So we'll go ahead and click on choose videos, and this is going to open up all of the different videos on your ad. So make sure you're clicking on the right ad account. So we'll go ahead and make sure that we're filtering and find the right ad account. And when you have your Facebook page selected, you're going to see all the different videos that you have. So this is the video that we want to go ahead and create a custom audience of. So we'll go ahead and highlight this. And once you have it highlighted, you're going to go ahead and click confirm. And now we have the video. So it's going to tell us name audience. So we'll go ahead and title this. You can title this accordingly. We're going to title this Al Jazeera video because that's exactly what this was. So we'll go ahead and title that, and then description. You can write a description, just in case you have so many different custom audiences. You want to make sure that you understand exactly what this audience is. So we'll go ahead and just click, people. Let's type in people who viewed. We could spell this right. People who viewed 50% of Al Jazeera promo video. Great. So we'll just go ahead and write a description, and then we'll go ahead and click on create audience. And as you guys can see here, once we created an audience, we now have that audience. Now it's still populating. It says below 1,000. I'm sure it's a little bit more than 1,000. But now what you can do, if you want to create a custom, if you want to create a lookalike audience of this individuals, you can go ahead and click on here, and then you can click actions, and then you can click create lookalike. But the purpose of this video is to show you how to create a custom audience. Now what we can do is we can go inside Facebook Ads Manager, and we can go ahead and retarget people. And when it tells us, choose your audience, we can go ahead and choose a custom audience and then click this custom audience. and then retarget people who watched at least 50% of a video. So that is how to create a custom audience of people who watched at least, any percentage of a video between 25 to 100. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.